Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily create a pin on your Google account on CHiQ TV. So first let's head over to the settings. Now here scroll down to accounts and sign in. And now click on your account and click profile lock. Now here you need to verify your identity. So let me quickly enter the password and I'll see you guys once I'm done. Now after you enter your PIN, simply click the check mark icon and here you need to create a PIN. So let me quickly try and create one. Now confirm it. And for me it's repeating, so I cannot do that. Let me do this. And now the pin has been created successfully. So that be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.